Have you ever wondered how those online-only banks operate? You know, the ones without physical branches? Today, we're diving into the world of EverBank to find out exactly how it works. EverBank is a digital bank, meaning it offers all its services online. No need for long lines, crowded lobbies, or limited opening hours. But how does it manage to provide the same services as traditional banks? Let's break it down. Accounts and services. Checking accounts. Just like a regular bank, EverBank offers checking accounts. You can deposit and withdraw money, write checks, and use your debit card for purchases. Savings accounts. Looking to save? EverBank has savings accounts with competitive interest rates. You can easily transfer money between your checking and savings accounts. Certificates of deposit, CDs for those seeking higher returns. EverBank offers CDs with various terms and interest rates. Money market accounts. These accounts offer a blend of checking and savings features, providing flexibility and higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. Loans. EverBank provides various loan options, including personal loans, auto loans, and home equity loans. How does EverBank make money? Just like traditional banks, EverBank earns money through interest on loans and fees. However, as a digital bank, it has lower overhead costs, which can translate to better rates for customers. Security and safety. One of the biggest concerns when banking online is security. EverBank employs advanced security measures to protect your information. This includes encryption, fraud monitoring, and multi-factor authentication. Customer service. While EverBank doesn't have physical branches, they offer excellent customer service through their website, mobile app, and phone support. You can easily contact them for assistance or inquiries. Mobile banking. EverBank's mobile app is a powerful tool for managing your finances on the go. You can check your balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and even deposit checks using your smartphone. Is EverBank right for you? If you prefer convenience, competitive rates, and the ability to manage your finances from anywhere, EverBank might be a great option. However, if you prefer the personal touch of a traditional bank or need in-person assistance, a brick-and-mortar bank might be a better fit. EverBank offers a convenient and secure way to bank online. With a wide range of accounts and services, competitive rates, and excellent customer support, it's a viable alternative to traditional banks. Ready to explore EverBank? Visit their website or download their mobile app to get started. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.